Hi guys, welcome back to King's Decor Corner. So today we're decorating 2 Christmas trees in my living room. So we're going to jump right into it. I'm just going to show you guys how I've put these looks together. I just did this really quickly. I almost didn't record any of the footage, but after I got started, I thought, you know what, let me just show you guys the quick process. So here I'm showing you the tree with I've already added in the ribbon and I've added just a couple of ornaments, but I haven't completed the look. So I'm just showing you guys how I have woven the ribbon in through the tree. And then I like to include a few little ornaments just to kind of see what I'm going to do with the placement. But the larger ornaments, I did go ahead and tuck those in the tree first. And here, as you can see, I'm building in and adding in more layers into the tree with more ornaments. So some of them I have tucked deep into the tree, as you can see. That adds depth to the tree. And then we have some that are closer to the edge. And I've also created a bow topper for this tree, and I've added in a few berries. But again, we're just going to keep layering in until I think the tree looks nice and full. And here I'm showing you guys that I've done the exact same thing to the other tree on the other side of the television. I want them to look as closely as possible the same. I want the looks to be very similar, although it's almost impossible to create 2 exact looks, but they are very similar and I'm really happy with it. Now, after I've added in the majority of the ornaments and the ribbon, I like to turn on the lights on the tree so that I can see if there are any empty spots or any spots where you can see through the tree, so that I can ensure to fill those spots in with ornaments or ribbon or picks or however. And so that's what we're doing here. We're just kind of going through the tree, going around the tree, examining it to see what else is needed. And of course, we will be adding a tree skirt at the end. But I do see a few spots, so I will be sure to go in with some ornaments and fill in everything so that we will have a beautiful, full, completed look to this tree. And of course, I will do the same inspection for the other tree on the other side, because again, we want to make sure that both the trees look very similar, but I of course want them to both look very full without showing any bare spots. And here's a view of the trees from standing back. And as you guys can see, we're watching a movie on television. And here's a nighttime view of the living room space. I'm showing you guys our fireplace mantle, which I did show that in a previous video. If you missed it, I will have it linked in the iCards above and the description box below. But here is a view of the Christmas trees, all completely decorated and lit at nighttime, and I think they look absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just panning across here so you guys can see what I've done on the coffee table. I did do a coffee table styling, but I changed it up a little bit here, and I like this look a bit better. And there's the other tree in the corner, and we'll just pan around here a bit. You guys can see a little bit of the sofa. But if you want to see how my living room is decorated completely, be sure to stop back by, because I will do a home tour coming up in the next couple of days. So you guys, you do not want to miss that. So this is just a little bit of a sneak peek as to what the living room is looking like. But the trees are absolutely gorgeous. They are the showstoppers, the centerpiece of the living room this year. Also, you guys will notice that I use these red, they look like drums as the tree skirt. I picked those up from Walmart. They were $16.97 I think each. So I have one for each tree. And it really just drives home, you know, the traditional red. You guys know I love that for Christmas every year. And so, yeah, I'm just showing you guys here a close-up of the coffee table styling. In my previous video, I did have candlesticks there, and I just removed those and replaced them with ornaments. And of course, we have our ornament garland that my little guy and I created last Christmas. And we're panning around here again to this Christmas tree and for a final look. And I'm just really happy with how everything came together. Be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know what you guys think about my twin Christmas trees for 2020. And here you guys can see how the Christmas trees are also coordinating with the fireplace, hearth, and mantle. I used the same ribbon from the Christmas trees in the garland so that we'll have a cohesive look. And I also did add a couple of bows on the reindeer there. And I think everything came together beautifully. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You all know that helps me out tremendously. Also, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you, love you, love you so very much. And of course, I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. And as I mentioned before, be sure to stop back by because my Christmas home tour is coming up very soon. Alrighty guys, I look forward to seeing you all then. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.